Yo, what's up, everybody? This your guy Dan Tanner, the bad boy of tech right now. I got the LG Stylo 4 in hand. I'm doing a camera test. This is the front-facing camera. Let me know below how the front-facing camera looks and sounds and everything. Well, anyway, people, I'm about to hit the streets, take a few photos and everything, shoot a little bit more video footage so you can go ahead and decide if this camera smack or is it just whack, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So enough of me yapping. It's time to make it happen. Let's go.